Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Kali Linux is a special operating system. It is designed for cybersecurity professionals. Think of it as a toolbox. It is full of tools for testing and learning about computer security. Kali is based on Debian Linux. It is known for its stability and reliability. You can install Kali on a computer. You can also run it from a USB drive. This makes it portable and versatile. Kali Linux is free to use. It is open source. This means anyone can see and modify its code. This transparency makes Kali trustworthy. Security researchers and enthusiasts use it worldwide. Kali Linux is powerful. It can be dangerous in the wrong hands. It is crucial to use Kali ethically and legally. Always obtain proper authorization before testing on systems or networks that are not your own. Kali Linux is popular among ethical hackers. It has many pre-installed tools. These tools are organized into categories. This makes finding the right tool for the job easy. Kali includes tools for various tasks. These tasks include network scanning, vulnerability analysis, and password cracking. It also has tools for web application testing and wireless network analysis. The operating system is regularly updated. New tools and features are added. This ensures that users have access to the latest security testing capabilities. Kali has a large and active community. The community provides support and resources. This makes it easier for beginners to learn and use Kali effectively. Kali Linux is a comprehensive platform. It empowers security professionals to enhance their skills. It helps them stay ahead of cyber threats. The Metasploit framework is a powerful tool. It is included in Kali Linux. It is used for penetration testing. Penetration testing is like a simulated cyber attack. It helps find weaknesses in computer systems. Metasploit is like a library of exploits. Exploits are pieces of code. They can take advantage of vulnerabilities. It also has payloads. Payloads are actions that are executed after an exploit is successful. This tool can be used to test various systems. These include web applications, networks, and servers. Metasploit can be used to simulate real-world attacks. This helps security professionals understand how attackers operate. They can then take steps to protect their systems. Metasploit is a versatile tool. It is an essential asset for penetration testers and security enthusiasts. Metasploit has a command line interface. This may seem intimidating at first. It is actually quite user-friendly. The commands are logical and easy to understand. To start Metasploit, simply type MSF console in the terminal. This will launch the framework. You will be greeted with a prompt. From here, you can start using Metasploit's commands. To search for exploits, use the search command. For example, to search for exploits related to a specific vulnerability, you would type search CVE 2023-1234. This would return a list of relevant exploits. To use an exploit, you need to select it using its ID number. Then, you can set the options for the exploit, such as the target IP address and the payload to use. Finally, you can launch the exploit using the exploit command. Section 5. Essential Tool, Burp Suite. Burp Suite is another powerful tool. It is found in Kali Linux. It focuses on web application security. It acts like an intermediary between your browser and websites. This lets you intercept and modify traffic. Burp Suite helps you find vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities can be in web applications. Examples include cross-site scripting or XSS and SQL injection. It has various tools for analyzing web applications. These tools include a proxy, a spider, and a scanner. The proxy intercepts traffic. The spider crawls websites. The scanner looks for vulnerabilities. Burp Suite can be used to test web applications manually or automatically. It provides detailed reports. These reports help developers fix security flaws. Burp Suite is an indispensable tool for web developers and security testers. Section 6. Burp Suite, Unveiling Web Vulnerabilities. Burp Suite's interface is user-friendly. It is divided into tabs. Each tab represents a different tool. The Proxy tab is where you intercept and modify traffic. The Target tab shows the websites you are browsing. The Spider tab displays the sitemap. The sitemap is a map of all the pages on a website. The Scanner tab shows the results of vulnerability scans. To use Burp Suite, you first need to configure your browser to use it as a proxy. Once this is done, all traffic between your browser and websites will pass through Burp Suite. You can then use the various tools to analyze the traffic and look for vulnerabilities. Burp Suite is a complex tool. There are many resources available to help you learn how to use it effectively. There are online tutorials, documentation, and even training courses. With a little effort, you can master Burp Suite and become a proficient web application security tester. Section 7. Essential Tool Nmap, Network Mapping Mastery. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It is a command line tool. It is used for network exploration and security auditing. Nmap is like a radar for your network. It sends packets to devices. It then analyzes the responses. Nmap can be used to discover devices on a network. It can determine their operating systems and services. This information can be used to identify potential security risks. Nmap is a versatile tool. It can be used for various purposes. These include network inventory, vulnerability scanning, and security auditing. Nmap is an essential tool for network administrators and security professionals. It helps them understand and secure their networks. Nmap is a powerful tool. It is important to use it responsibly and ethically. Always obtain proper authorization before scanning networks that are not your own. Section 8. Deciphering Nmap's scan results. Nmap's output can be overwhelming. It is important to understand how to interpret it. Nmap provides a wealth of information. This includes the IP address, host name, operating system, and open ports of each device. Open ports are like doors into a device. They allow communication with services running on that device. For example, port 80 is commonly used for web traffic. Port 22 is used for SSH connections. Nmap can also detect firewalls. It can tell you if a port is open, closed, or filtered. A closed port means that there is no service listening on that port. A filtered port means that a firewall is blocking access to that port. Nmap is a powerful tool for network exploration and security auditing. By understanding its output, you can gain valuable insights into the security posture of your network. Section 9. Starting your Kali Linux journey. Starting with Kali, Linux is exciting. Begin with a virtual machine. This is a safe way to explore. Download VirtualBox or VMware. These are virtualization software options. Download a Kali Linux image file. Install Kali within your chosen virtual environment. Once installed, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the pre-installed tools. Start with basic commands in the terminal. Gradually move to more advanced tools. Metasploit and Burp Suite are great starting points. Follow online tutorials and guides. Practice using these tools in a controlled environment. Join online communities, engage in forums and discussions. Remember, ethical hacking is key. Always obtain permission before testing on systems that are not your own. Continuous learning is crucial in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Enjoy the journey. Section 10. Conclusion, Ethical Hacking and Beyond. Kali Linux is a powerful toolkit. It empowers security enthusiasts and professionals. It provides the means to delve into the depths of cybersecurity. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Kali Linux ethically and legally. Always obtain proper authorization before testing on systems or networks that are not your own. The world of cybersecurity is vast and ever-changing. Continuously update your knowledge. Explore new tools and techniques. Engage with the vibrant online community. Embrace the challenge and contribute to a safer digital world. Your journey into the realm of ethical hacking starts now. With dedication and a passion for cybersecurity, you can make a difference.